What should I do to get my home ready to sell in 2026? Thinking about selling your home in 2026, before you schedule showings or stick a for sale sign in your yard, there's a few things you need to make sure you do so that your home sells fast and for top dollar. I once worked with a seller who was eager to list, but the house needed some serious prep. So after a few small improvements, strategic staging, and a pricing review, they had multiple offers in less than a week. And if you want results like that, here's what you should do before your home ever hits the market. Number one, start with a deep clean and declutter. Buyers want to picture themselves in your space, not feel like they're walking through someone else's life. So start by removing personal photos, clearing countertops, and organizing closets. A clean, clutter-free home instantly feels bigger and more inviting. And don't forget curb appeal. Mow the lawn, trim the hedges, and add fresh mulch or flowers. First impressions absolutely matter. Number two, make smart upgrades and repairs. Focus on updates that offer the best results. Fix leaky faucets, replace burnt out bulbs, and really touch up paint. If your kitchen or bathroom is dated, small upgrades like modern cabinet hardware or new backsplash can make a really big difference. You don't need a full renovation, but you do need to show the buyers that the home is well cared for and move-in ready. Number three, stage for the modern buyer. Staging isn't about making your home look perfect. It's about highlighting the potential. So arrange furniture to maximize space and flow. You can use neutral tones and warm lighting. If you're not sure where to start, many agents offer suggestions on home staging or low-cost consultations. And remember, in 2026, many buyers are shopping virtually first. So invest in high-quality photos, tours, video walkthroughs. These assets help your home stand out in a really crowded digital market. And number four, nail the price. From day one, pricing is part art and part science. Many sellers are using a combination of AI tools and local agent expertise to land on the right price. Price too high, and you risk sitting on the market. Price too low, you might leave money on the table. So this is where local agents can really help. They'll compare active listings, recent sales, and buyer demand to position your home where it'll sell fast. So if you're planning to sell your home in 2026, don't wait until the last minute. Reach out. I'll walk you through a customized prep plan to help you clean and stage and price and launch your home the right way so we can get it sold fast and for top dollar.